Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue on section 43B clause A. As all we know that some expenses are allowed only on the basis of payment and not on the basis of accrual system of accounting, even if the assessee is following the accrual system of accounting. Section 43B has several clauses in which there is a clause, that is the first clause, section 43B clause A, which says that any sum payable by the assessee by way of tax, duty, cess or fees by whatever name called under any law for the time being in force, meaning thereby that if any tax, duty or cess will not be paid before the due date of filing of the return of income, then it will be disallowed and it will be allowed only in the year of payment. The question before Nagpur ITAT in the case of Royal Drinks Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer, which is reported in 113 ITR Tribunal at page number 283, and the date of the judgment is 24th April 2024, was that whether tax duty cess also include interest on tax duty cess, meaning thereby that if any tax has been paid late and the assessee has not paid interest on that tax up to the date of filing of the return of income, but has claimed that interest as an expense on accrual basis in his return of income, so whether applying the provisions of section 43 capital B clause A, that interest can be disallowed. This was the issue before the tribunal. The matter is related to the assessment year 2019-20. The assessee has deposited tax under the Maharashtra value added tax late, due to which the assessee has to pay the interest. The assessee has provided that interest into the books of accounts, and that interest was not paid up to the date of filing of the return of income under section 139 subsection 1, and this was also reported by the tax auditor in his tax audit report. The CPC under section 143 subsection 1 passed the order under section 143 subsection 1 that this interest on delayed payment of Maharashtra value added tax is disallowed under section 43 capital B clause A. The assessee challenged this addition or disallowance before the CIT appeal, and CIT appeal upheld the order passed under section 143 subsection 1. When this matter was before the tribunal was looking into the case, which was contested on two grounds. The first ground was that the CPC cannot make this prima facie adjustment under section 143 subsection 1, meaning thereby that this item is not eligible for prima facie adjustment. Generally, prima facie adjustments are those adjustments which are in the nature of mistake apparent from record. For this, the tribunal said that since this disallowance has been reported by the tax auditor in his tax audit report, so this item is very well in the four corner of section 143 subsection 1 clause A clause 4. So on the technical ground, this item is disallowable under section 43B clause A. But as far as the merits are concerned, the tribunal said that there is no statutory provision under section 43 capital B clause A for interest on sale tax. The tribunal said that when language of the statute is clear and unambiguous, the courts to interpret in literal sense and to give a meaning which would not cause violence to the provisions to the statute. The tribunal also said that it would be impermissible to read the terms taxes as interest on taxes included therein. So the crux of the matter was that when interest on taxes is not specifically mentioned in section 43 capital B clause A, then in that case the interest cannot be disallowed. So the matter went into the favor of the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Royal Drinks Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 113 ITAT Tribunal at page number 283, and the matter has been decided by Nagpur ITAT bench, and the date of the judgment is 24th April 2024.